To use Awardwallet and link your airline account, start by creating an Awardwallet account if you don't already have one. Go to the Awardwallet website and sign up with your email address and a password. Once you have an account, log in and click on the Add Account button. Select the airline you want to link from the list of available airlines. You will be prompted to enter your airline loyalty program credentials, including your account number and password. Enter the required information and click the Add Account button. Awardwallet will then verify your account information with the airline and link your accounts. You can link multiple airline accounts to your Awardwallet account, making it easy to track all of your loyalty programs in one place. After linking your airline account, you can view your account balance, expiration dates, and redemption options all in one place. Awardwallet also provides tools to help you keep track of your accounts, including flight alerts and account expiration reminders. To get the most out of Awardwallet, make sure to link all of your loyalty accounts, including hotels and credit cards. This will give you a complete picture of your loyalty program balances and help you make the most of your rewards. By following these steps, you can easily link your airline account to Awardwallet and start tracking your loyalty program balances today. Awardwallet is a powerful tool that can help you maximize your rewards and make the most of your travel loyalty programs.